This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Bouton. Harbour Links, over $200,000 in renovations. This total contemporary floor plan with amazing designer finishes is move-in ready condition. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car quiet garage condo. This is a private first-floor condo just steps to the Clubhouse and 24,000 square feet fitness center. This condo has all of the bells and whistles you could want. Fully renovated. Kitchen has large oversize island that divides it from living area, making it perfect for entertaining. Quartzite countertops, soft closing cabinets and end drawers, and wine cooler, high-end new kitchen appliances including double drawer dishwasher, 18-inch floor tiles, custom remodel of bathrooms. Primary bath has designer glass roller shower doors with custom tile and an elegant freestanding tub. Fans 2022, washer/dryer 2019, AC 2022, smart switches and organizers in den and master bedroom closets. Centrally located to beaches, restaurants, shopping, and medical facilities. It is a must-see. Roof 4 years old, no hurricane damage. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Bouton at 239-229-7571.